video for Creative Expressions, and I thought I would do a quick tips video on how I colour white with ProMarkers. So I'm going to show you how I coloured these fluffy pandas. You can kind of see it on here. I used sort of a dotting motion to make them look a bit fluffy, and these were the 3 cards that I just made. So I'll link to this video below, but I thought I'd show you the process of how I coloured them like that. So I think I'll show you on this one up close, and then I'll speed up the other 2. So I like to start off with the cheeks, so I'm going to just lay down a circle of colourless blender. Then I'm using baby pink, just put a little dot of baby pink in the middle, and then go back with the colourless blender again just to blend it out nicely. Then I'm going with warm grey 2, and I'm just going to draw a really thin line around the edges of the panda, around his head and around his little tummy, and then I'm going to come back in with some small dots. Now this is the darkest colour I'm using, so I don't want to add too much of it. It's just a few little dots here and there. Just adds to that fluffy look of a cute little fluffy panda. Just like that. So that's my darkest colour, which is warm grey 2. Then my lightest colour is warm grey 1. Oh, the other one focused so nicely. This one won't focus. Warm grey 1. So I'm just going to colour over that a smidge, just to blend it in a bit. Then I'm going to go with the dotting technique again, just adding in a few more dots. See, these images where you've got a lot of white on the image, or the character is black and white, are a really quick image to colour, especially if you're batch making some cards. So there we go, same idea with the lighter colour, and then I just come back in with the blender and just going to blend over the top. You can use the bullet nib to blend as well, but as I'm doing, you know, a larger area, I just like to use the chisel end, and that just softens all of the dots we've just drawn on, and it makes them look cute and fluffy. So I hope you enjoyed that little quick tip of how I colour white with ProMarkers, and I'll finish colouring these 2 and I'll speed up the process, and I'll add in a few photos at the end. So thanks for watching, enjoy the sped up part. I thought I'd just come back and show you how I coloured the feet as well. I kind of wanted a pinky grey, so I've just used the same pink as the cheeks, which is the baby pink, and then I'm using warm grey 1 just to flick up some colour from the bottom of the feet, just to tone the pink down a smidge, and then I just dab in a little bit more pink in a dotty fashion. Okay, I'm just going to quickly die cut this, stamp a sentiment and add a few embellishments, and I'll speed it up again, and obviously put the photos at the end. So thanks for watching.